So guys, look what I found on the flea market. This is a vintage Tamiya King Blackfoot, which is produced in the 1996 I think, and this thing is really amazing. So in this video I'm going to tell you everything about this model. We are going to wrench it and we are going to see if we can get it running again. Stay tuned. So guys, this is a vintage Tamiya King Blackfoot. So as you can see, this one is styled after a monster truck. And it is produced from the 1996 until 1993 I think. And it really looks amazing. So you've got very big chunky tires with a lot of knobs on them. And it is actually a hard body. So the body is styled like an American monster truck or something with a lot of chrome details. You've got the lighting systems over here, and also at the rear of the car you've got a very big chrome bumper, and oh, you've got the King Blackfoot plating going on, so that's nice to see. And yeah, you've got a lot of small details. You know, you've got the handles over here, you've got a separate bed and a separate cab, and it actually got see-through windows, which is nice. And what is a bit unique, it's got light buckets in the front, so not in the rear but only in the front, so you could put some LEDs or something in there, which is pretty nice to see. So let me take the body off and show you what's under there. So underneath the hard body we've got this beautiful setup. So this is all original, all vintage parts, and that's amazing to find. So we've got double wishbone suspension in the front and in the rear. It is a rear driven car, so you will have some dark bones over here, and it's got metal shafts and metal cups over here in both sides, so that's pretty nice to see. If we look at the front of the car, it really looks amazing. So the shocks are just friction shocks, and you can adjust the tension the old school way by adjusting this little collar over here. So when you slide it down a bit, you will increase the tension, and vice versa. So that's nice. A pretty big bumper with a couple of scratches, but not too much. So this is the heatsink for the manual speed controller, which is underneath this little cap over here. So this is a very old styled receiver, which is nice to see. Oh, it's actually a Futaba base, so that's nice. And yeah, we've got, I think it's a 550 motor, the standard one from Tamiya. So as you can see, this car is all original. When we turn the car around, underneath here everything looks pretty neat, and there's almost no scratches or no damage to the car. Only a tiny scratch over here, but yeah, for a car that's that old, this looks amazing. So you can see two servos over here. One is for the steering and the other one is for the manual speed controller. Your battery will slide in from this side. So normally you will find a body clip over here. Just remove the body clip and you can lift this up or slide it down, and you can slide your battery in there. Yeah, put this in its place, put a body pin on there, and then your battery is secured. So your on-off switch, and yeah, that's all to say. So let me take this cap off and show you what's under there. So underneath the little cap you will find the two servos. As I told you, one is for the steering and the other one is for the old style manual speed controller, and I really like this. So now it's time for me to clean everything up and see if we can throw in a different receiver and get it running again. Stay tuned. So guys, I just finished work on this vintage Tamiya King Blackfoot, and it turned up pretty nicely. So the body looks superb. Of course there are some tiny scratches and some stickers, some little edges are coming off, but yeah, for the age, you know, this is over 30 years old, it really looks amazing. So everything is clean and neat, and I really loved it. So if you look at this chassis, you know, I took it all apart and wrenched everything and reassembled everything, and it just like new. It just looks like you have built it yesterday or something, you know. This is just superb. So everything's working again. So the suspension, the steering, the manual speed controller, the differential, you know, it's just superb. So let me show you the steering. I just hooked up my Dumbo RC and the steering is working perfectly, and here you can see the manual speed controller. You see, that's superb. So I really love to do those kinds of things. Alright guys, this was a vintage Tamiya. I will also bring out some new stuff on the channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you got any questions or suggestions, please leave a link below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.